In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bar plus line combo chart in Power BI. This powerful visualization technique allows you to combine clustered bars with a line in the same graph, offering a nuanced way to represent and analyze your data. So, grab your computer, because we're going to dive into each step together to make sure you have a smooth experience creating and customizing this type of chart. First, you'll want to load your data into Power BI Desktop. This data can be sourced from various formats, such as Excel, a CSV file, or a database. The crucial part is ensuring your dataset includes a category field along with measures, which could include items like region, sales, or profit margin. These fields will form the basis of the visualizations we'll be creating. Once your data is loaded, head over to the Report view. Here, you'll find the Visualizations pane. This is your go-to toolbox for all things visual in Power BI. Look for the Combo Chart Visual. You have a couple of options here, but for our purposes, choose the Line and Clustered Column chart. This choice is important because it will give you the combination of clustered bars and a line on one visual canvas. Now that you've selected the right visual, it's time to assign your fields to it. Drag your categorical field, such as region or month, to the axis, also known as the shared x-axis. Next, you'll assign one or more of your numerical measures, like sales, to the column values, which will then be displayed as bars. Finally, select a measure that you want to be represented as a line, for example, growth rate, average, or percentage, and place it in the line values. If your line measure is on a very different scale from your bar measures, consider using a secondary y-axis to ensure clarity. Power BI's Combo Chart Visual supports two y-axes, which is perfect for this scenario. With the basic structure in place, you can move on to adjusting and formatting the visualization. Select the visual and then click on the Format pane, which is represented by the paint roller icon. This is where you can tweak the appearance of your chart extensively. If your line measures values are notably smaller than those of your bar values, using a secondary y-axis is essential to prevent your line from appearing squashed or your bars from becoming invisible. In the Format pane, look for options that allow you to turn on and configure this secondary axis, adjusting settings such as the minimum and maximum values, titles, and formatting. Once you've got your chart formatted to your liking, test its interactivity and performance. Interact with the visual by hovering over data points and applying filters to ensure tooltips and other dynamic elements function as expected. If your chart includes many categories or data points, you might experience label overlap or clutter. In this case, adjust by limiting the number of categories displayed, rotating labels, or sampling your data for clarity. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've now created a clean, informative bar plus line combo chart in Power BI. Happy analyzing!